In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to add a SCAC code to your company profile and use it in an ACE shipment. A standard carrier alpha code, or SCAC for short, is a unique 4-letter code issued to your carrier from the National Motor Freight Traffic Association and usually found at the beginning of your PAPS barcode label. It's required for commercial shipments to enter the United States, as well as for the submitting of eManifests to CBP. Adding additional SCAC codes to BorderConnect is helpful for companies that want to haul another carrier's shipment or for service providers that want to process eManifests for multiple companies. To start, once you're logged in, hover over the Account menu option and click Company Details. Then, scroll down to the SCAC Codes List section where you can see a list of SCAC codes your company has added to BorderConnect. Now, just above that, click New SCAC Code. Enter the SCAC code and the company name of the carrier, then click Save. And you can see in the list below that the new SCAC code has been added to your company profile. So, let's add this new SCAC code to an ACE shipment. Once you've arrived at the Start New ACE Shipment page and you select your shipment type, go to the Shipment Control Number field and just click the SCAC code to change it from your default SCAC to the SCAC you just added. Now you can match the other carrier's shipment control number and continue creating the rest of your shipment information. Additionally, if you wanted to change your default SCAC code, which auto-populates when starting a new eManifest or ACE shipment, go to Account on the top right and click Company Settings. Now, scroll down to the eManifest Settings section and under the default SCAC code setting, click the SCAC drop-down on the right-hand side to change your default SCAC. Then go up to the top and click Save. Now, when you create a new eManifest or shipment, it will automatically default to that SCAC code.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.